U.S. Exempts. Key electronics from China tariffs. April 13, 2025, in a significant policy shift aimed at easing trade tensions and protecting American consumers, the U.S. government announced that key electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and other consumer tech devices will be exempted from the latest round of tariffs on Chinese goods. The announcement came amidst ongoing negotiations between Washington and Beijing, and it marks a strategic move by the U.S. to maintain price stability in the technology sector. Consumer electronics have been a major point of concern due to their widespread use and reliance on Chinese manufacturing. The White House stated that the exemption would help American businesses and consumers avoid sharp increases in costs, especially as inflation remains a sensitive issue. Experts see this exemption as a tactical decision, recognizing the global interconnectedness of tech supply chains. Many U.S.-based companies, including tech giants like Apple, heavily depend on Chinese factories for assembly and component sourcing. Imposing tariffs on such critical goods could disrupt supply lines, raise prices, and hurt innovation and sales. The trade war with China, which has spanned multiple administrations, has often focused on intellectual property, concerns market access, and trade imbalances. However, this move indicates a possible softening stance or a willingness to compromise on specific sectors that directly impact the U.S. economy and consumer behavior. While some policymakers argue that the U.S. must stay tough on China to prevent economic dependency, others view the exemption as a necessary balance between economic protectionism and practical economic strategy. Consumers and tech companies alike welcomed the news, hoping it will reduce uncertainty and price volatility. Still, broader trade negotiations continue, and the long-term relationship between the world's two largest economies remains a focal point of global economic policy.